When a large proportion of the class hasn't travelled outside of Australian capital cities, using a visual tool like Google Earth to allow students to fly to locations of interest is invaluable. By allowing students to then add place markers to these locations with images, audio, video or text, then gives them the opportunity to contribute and build on meaning. These are some examples from the class map. One of the students had heard from an older sibling that Tasmanian tigers didn't only live in Tasmania, but had been found as far north as the Northern Territory. Some investigation found out that there is indeed a rock painting believed to be a thylacine in Kakadu. Another student had visited Kakadu as a young child, but she remembered only a little bit from a festival she went to in Jabiru. All she could offer was a photograph and some vague memories. Many of the class expected Kakadu to be a dense forest with sparse buildings, but through utilising Street View, the class were given important experiences of everyday life in this community, and would be able to make some contrasts between what they knew of houses, vegetation and buildings, and how it differed from their expectations and experiences here in Tasmania. Another student had been to Sydney and recalled a monument on an inner city highway to the Great Eel of Bora Bira. He used a Google search to find information which reminds him of the story. Street View in this situation allows for a contrast to be drawn between traditional Indigenous beliefs and modern life. It also provided a talking point to the distribution of Indigenous Australians today. And we found out that more are found in New South Wales than any other state.